I never would have believed that these lines were drawn on the road by hand, if I had not seen it myself. And I couldn't make lines this perfectly straight if you gave me a ruler. While other workers are still building fences piece by piece, these guys finish the whole job with one pour of concrete. This woman isn't looking for a man with a house, because she can build one herself. This worker is still loyal to his old asphalt paving machine, which has never let him down. It's incredible what plaster can do in the hands of someone with an imagination. Guys, don't stop. Watching this perfect flume be informed is pure satisfaction. Who needs a conveyor belt when there are brilliant ideas like this? This artist has no room for even the slightest mistake, but who said he would make a mistake? Now check out the unusual technology of building a road from scratch. A man needs to have built at least one house on his own to impress this woman. It must be the easiest and most ingenious way to paint accurately. While other couples can't decide which wallpaper they want, people just make their own. This genius came up with an easy way to move 42-foot poles. You will need a phone number for these guys for your street. The way this craftsman turns concrete into wood is simply mind-blowing. With craftsmen like this, the roof will be finished before the first drop of rain falls. Sure, breaking is easier than building, but only if you're a true guru of the excavator. This man just came up with the best way to not ruin perfectly flat concrete. A true master will make sure that water will flow where it's supposed to. And this woman is so good at what she does, that it's not a job anymore but a form of entertainment. Always be nice to professional demolition workers, because they can take out the floor of your house in just a couple of minutes. Any guesses as to why there's only one person working in the warehouse? In about an hour of work on this bulldozer, the guy can dig out an entire pit. Such worker is more efficient than an entire brick factory. These workers had to make cuts every 6 inches, so they figured out a way to not only do their jobs perfectly, but also save their backs. Check out the most dangerous job in the world, building a wooden road on a 500-meter cliff. Don't worry, the skilled specialists are on it. Unbelievable, these guys are actually renovating a crosswalk, right in the middle of the busy traffic. The worker and the excavator have become one, and now he controls it as if it were an extension of his own hands. Moving dozens of miles of cable is easy, when you work in a coordinated team like this. The worker can use an angle grinder better than most artists can use a paintbrush. Incredible. Check out how this person creates a real tree, with just a little magic, and a plastering trowel. With unmatched bravery and precision, this professional will install an air conditioner on any skyscraper, no matter how high. This guy gets paid to lay tile, and he's simply the best at it. Mosaic Lane has never been so perfect. Look how this pro can shoot almost 100 nails in a straight line without any extra movements. Always wanted to change something in your room? Then you definitely need this guy's number. And if that's not enough for you, these artists can transform your entire home. Teachers always told him that he would never get paid to ride in a chair. How wrong they were. To load such massive logs, these lumberjacks had to tap into their Leonardo da Vinci powers. Only the most skilled painter can create a whole pattern, with a single movement. Would you have ever thought this sign was hand-drawn? can't even look away. These two, when worked together, they always get the best results. Check out the supreme plastering quality. Selling bowls takes skill too. Okay fine, I'll buy it, wrap it all up for me. Cutting a pineapple can be challenging, but not for this guy. I am the only one who finds it hard not to drool while watching this guy cut meat. A little engineering know-how helped these workers save a lot of energy. I could watch this guy do this forever. Who would have thought that you only need 2 pros to perfectly paint a massive ship? This craftsman only needed a few steps to create a shiny new floor. No way, this guy brought the bright color back to those chairs, using a torch. Just listen to this.